Today we will see about action words. What is an action word? The words that tells what a person, animal or thing does are called action words. Action words are also called doing words. Action words are called verbs. Let us see with some examples. Look at the picture. What is the boy doing? Sitting. The boy is sitting on the chair. Sitting is the action done by the boy. What is the girl doing? Crying. Crying. Look at the picture. What are the children doing? Playing. Playing. What is the girl doing? Combing. The girl is combing her hair. Eating. Eating. The girl is eating food. Eating is the action being done by the girl. Look at the picture. What is the boy doing? Bathing. Bathing. What is this little one doing? Sleeping. Sleeping. Push. Push. The boy is pushing the wheelbarrow. Pull. Pull. The boy is pulling. Look at the picture. What is the girl doing? Cooking. Cooking. Clap. Clap. The girl is clapping. What is the boy doing? Watching. Watching. The boy is watching TV. Wash. Wash. The boy is washing his hands. Laughing. Laughing. The boy is laughing. Laughing is the action being done by the boy. What is the boy doing with brush and colors? Painting. Painting. What are the little ones doing? Dancing. Dancing. Standing. Standing. They are standing. What is this boy doing with the mic? Singing. Singing. Running. Running. The boy is running. Running is the action being done by the boy. What are the birds doing? Flying. Flying. The birds are flying. Flying is an action word. Let us recollect all the actions done by them. Sitting, crying, playing, eating, combing, bathing, sleeping, cooking, flying, clapping, watching, washing, laughing, painting, standing, dancing, singing, running, pushing, pulling. These are the action words. Action words are also called doing words and also called verbs.